Most small business owners have a really hard time getting a website that they can be proud of. The problem is that DIY website builders never look the way you want them to. Big marketing agencies take forever, and freelancers never build sites that feel true to your brand. At One Week Website, we believe getting a great website shouldn't take 10 months, cost more than a Volkswagen, or stress you out. We've helped dozens of companies like you get a website they can be proud of and a marketing plan that earns them new customers. We have 2 simple website packages depending on your website needs. One Week Website, built in 7 days, is perfect for new business owners who need a simple starter website and want to look amazing online without blowing their budget. 1 Month Website, built in 30 days, is perfect for companies that want a custom business website, built from scratch, and a dedicated content coach to help them every step of the way. Best of all, you can add additional done-for-you website and marketing services to your new website anytime, like messaging strategy, copywriting, logo design, social media, monthly blog writing, and Facebook ads. Getting a website you love is possible. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Schedule a call with us. Step 2. Collaborate with our team. Step 3. Love your new website. We'll create the website you love so you can spend more time working on your business and less time worrying about your website. Schedule a call with us today.